Last year, I lost my car key fob, and it was one of the most frustrating experiences that I've ever gone through. Since I did not have a spare key fob, I had to look for a locksmith who traveled a long way to program a new key. The entire process was expensive and exhausting, and since then, I've decided that it's better to be safe than sorry. One of the ways you can track your keys or other personal possessions is by using AirTags. However, with a single AirTag costing around $29, they are generally considered not to be cheap. In this video, we're going to look at an affordable AirTag alternative that works with Apple's Find My ecosystem but costs almost half as much. Now, Ugreen is one of those Chinese brands that has been punching above its weight over the past few years. Personally, I own several accessories from the brand, including USB cables, dongles, and more, and I've never been disappointed by them. So when I saw that they have released an affordable AirTag alternative, I was quick to make an order to see what they had up their sleeves. One of the things I like about Ugreen is that their products are usually packaged so well that you would think you're unboxing an Apple product. Inside the box, you'll find a lot of paperwork, including a user manual in multiple languages, user and safety information, and other documents. I'm surprised that this little gadget comes with so much paperwork. The Ugreen Finder also comes with a lanyard which you can attach to your wallet, luggage, and other personal possessions, as well as what looks like a SIM ejector tool, which I'm guessing is used for opening the device when replacing the battery. The box also contains some stickers that you can put on the back of the product for easy identification, especially if you have multiple finders. Finally, you'll find the Ugreen Smart Finder in what looks like a space gray color that you'd usually find in many Apple products. Before I go any further, please note that this product works with Apple devices only, so it's not for Android users. Personally, I no longer own an iPhone, but I can still use this product because it works with my MacBook. That said, if you plan to use this product with your MacBook, please note that an iPhone or an iPad is required to set it up. The Ugreen Smart Finder has a square-ish design with rounded corners. The device is 3.5 centimeters in length and has a thickness of about 6 millimeters. In comparison, it's almost the same size as the AirTag, and the only difference is their shape, as the AirTag has a circular design. In terms of build quality, the Ugreen is made of plastic while the AirTag has a stainless steel body. I'm guessing this is where Ugreen had to cut corners to make up for the affordable price. That said, the Ugreen Smart Finder still looks well built even though it's made up of plastic, and it looks like it will stand the test of time. One thing I like about the Ugreen Smart Finder is that it has a small hole which can be used for attaching it to items like a keychain without the help of an accessory, unlike the AirTag. In terms of specs, the Ugreen supports Bluetooth 5.0 and it uses a CR2032 battery, which is the same battery you'd find in most car keys and also the same battery that is used in the AirTag. According to Ugreen, the device will work for 12 months using this battery before you have to replace it with a new one. Replacing the battery is rather straightforward, and you can do this with the help of the ejector tool that comes in the box. Pairing the finder is rather straightforward. As I mentioned before, you'll need an iPad or an iPhone to set up the finder. Once you remove the insulating film, the finder will automatically power on and enter pairing mode. Then you'll bring it near your iPhone and open the Find My app. In the Find My app, you'll select Add Item, add other item, and then connect to the smart tag. Once this is done, you can rename the product, for example, house keys, if you'll be using it for your keys like I will. As I mentioned in the beginning, the Ugreen Smart Finder operates on Apple's Find My network, meaning it's the same as the AirTag in terms of functionality. If you open the Find My app, you'll see the Ugreen Smart Finder under items alongside other finders that you're also using. Assuming you lose your item, all you have to do is select the directions button under the finder. This will direct you to the location of the finder, after which you can press the play sound button and the device will beep, leading you to your item. Now, why should you buy the AirTags when you can buy the Ugreen Smart Finder? Let me know what you think about the Ugreen Finder and this review in general. Kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.